McDonald. McDo.
So you actually say McDo.
Absolutely.
We do not say McDo here.
How do you say it?
McDonald's.
McDonald's. McDonald's. No.
That's better than McDo.
McDonald.
No, that is just not it.
I know, it's not it. Sorry. It's
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Not McDo.
No? McDo? It's so easy though. McDo.
I mean, it could be like another place.
Yeah, no, it's the McDo. Burger King.
Oh my God. Wait, say it again?
Burger King.
Burger King?
Yeah.
No, it's Burger King.
Burger King. Well, you have to admit that Burger King has a
French sound to it.
Has a French royalty in it, like
Yeah.
the Burger King.
It's like the actual Burger King.
Yeah. Burger
France.
King. Burger King. Okay. KFC. KFC.
KFC?
KFC.
KFC?
KFC.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
No, it doesn't work.
No, KFC. Well,
KFC.
So you're in Paris, you want to know where is the nearest KFC, you're an American, and you need your fix of like fried chicken. You're like, où est le KFC le plus proche? I know.
No one will know what you're saying.
Où est le KFC le plus proche? Ah! I know.
It's important to distinguish.
Exactly. Right.
Otherwise, you won't find your KFC.
Yeah. Then you react. I need my fried chicken.
Okay.
Subway.
Okay, Subway.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Domino's Pizza.
So you have Domino's Pizza,
I think we do, yeah.
I think.
We do, yeah.
Do you?
I don't know. Let's check.
All right, let's
You in
skip
the
it.
comments. Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut?
Absolutely Pizza Hut.
No, it's Pizza Hut.
We don't have that H, so we have to improvise.
Say it again.
Pizza Hut.
No, it's Pizza Hut. So when you're in the United States, French people, and you want a Pizza Hut and you got that, fix that you need to get for pizza, you need to make sure you say the H and it's not pizza, it's Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut. Five Guys.
Okay, Five Guys.
The same?
So close,
Well,
yeah.
it's very close,
yeah.
Starbucks.
Starbucks. Pretty close.
We're good. Popeye.
What is it?
Popeye.
Popeye.
Yeah.
What's Popeye?
Popeye, you're like, spinach. Popeye.
Popeyes?
No, it's bad.
Wait, what did you call it?
Popeye.
Popeye.
Uh-huh.
No, it's Popeyes.
I know, this one, when I knew that in English it was pop I was like, oh my gosh.
Doesn't even sound the
No,
same.
we got it wrong. Sounds so much better when you say it.
Yes, it does actually, this one time.
Yeah, Popeye.
Popeyes.
Popeye in French.
Okay.
Taco Bell.
Taco?
Taco Bell, for sure.
Oh, for us it's Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. But that one, I think we're closer to the Spanish version of Taco Bell.
And even the British version, because they will say taco, but we say taco. It's the one time that you guys say ah instead of ah, is with tacos. Why? Why not just keep with your ah and call it Taco Bell?
No, because the Spanish is taco.